Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you waiting on your money? So I'm talking here about a refund status in Amazon or Amazon Shopping in this new version. So I believe you are waiting for your money, you have no update, and you want to check basically on your refund. So that's why we made this video. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually check your refund status in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com in the 2026 version. So let's get started. First and first, open your app or open the website by going through your favorite browser. Look for Amazon.com, tap on the website, go and use the same email, address, and password that you have ordered from. Then we're gonna tap on My Orders and Returns. Now you will be able to see the placed orders for the past 3 months. All you're gonna do is select the order that you have returned. Then tap View Refund Status to see the progress. As for some more tips, refunds usually take 3 to 5 business days after Amazon receives the item. So bank refunds can take longer than Amazon balance refunds. If you were trying to buy another item from Amazon, so basically just do the Amazon refund, they're gonna give you some credits that you can use later. And that's it, basically that's the main idea. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.